When your HP Color Laser printer cannot communicate with one or more toner cartridges, it throws a supply memory error. A supply memory error is indicated on the control panel on the printer server, or by a series of flashing lamps. A code ending with 0 indicates a bad black cartridge, 1 indicates cyan, 2 indicates magenta, and 3 indicates yellow. A toner lamp may flash when only one cartridge is affected. Use the error code to identify it. Push the button that turns the carriage to the correct cartridge. Open the toner door. Lift the cartridge away from the printer. Use a clean, lint-free cloth, dipped in rubbing alcohol, to wipe down the contacts. Replace the toner cartridge. Your printer should be up and running. When all cartridges are problematic, your printer's toner reader is probably affected. To locate the reader, begin by removing all cartridges. Unplug the device from the wall outlet. At the left of the cavity is the toner reader, a pair of spring-loaded triangular plates that has likely become jammed in compressed position. Poke this with the end of a pencil to unjam it. Replace all cartridges. Your printer should be up and running.